Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth evaluations of everyday essentials. In today's video, we're diving into what I confidently call the best legal size 24lb bright white printer paper. You can get your hands on Hammermill Fore Multipurpose 24 pounds copy paper, 8.5 by 14 inches, 1 ream, 500 sheets. Let's get into it. Right out of the wrapper, the first thing you'll notice is the brilliant white finish. This paper boasts a 96 brightness rating, and believe me, it makes a difference. Whether you're printing contracts, formal letters, or reports, the paper gives off a crisp, professional vibe. It enhances text clarity and color contrast, especially for inkjet and laser printers. When your work needs to make an impression, this paper delivers. Now, let's talk about the weight. This is 24 pounds stock, which is heavier and thicker than standard 20-pound copy paper. That added weight means two things: durability and a premium feel. It resists curling and jamming, making it ideal for double-sided printing without any bleed-through. That extra heft really helps your documents stand out when you hand them off to clients, coworkers, or legal professionals. Size-wise, it's legal size, 8.5 by 14 inches. This is essential for many official documents, contracts, and legal filings. Not all printer paper handles legal size printing this well, especially when you're printing multiple pages quickly. This one holds up under pressure, feeds smoothly, and stays aligned. What sets this paper apart even further is the consistent quality across the entire ream. You get 500 sheets of pristine, uniform paper. No variation in color. No bent corners. No dust buildup that could mess with your printer's rollers. It's quality controlled to a degree that really shows. But here's something else to appreciate: it's made in the USA. That's more than just a label. It supports American manufacturing and ensures a higher level of quality assurance. It's also an eco-conscious choice, as Hammermill is part of the Sustainable Forestry Initiative. This paper comes from responsibly managed forests and mills that prioritize environmental sustainability. Compatibility is another highlight. Whether you're using a high-speed office printer, a home inkjet, or even a basic copy machine, the Hammermill 24 pounds legal paper runs flawlessly. No jams, no smudges, no ghosting. If your business or workflow relies on efficient, high-volume printing, this paper keeps things running smoothly without sacrificing quality. Let's not forget versatility. While it's labeled multi-purpose, it's particularly strong in color printing. So if you're printing charts, colored headers, or company letterhead, you'll notice sharper details and cleaner color boundaries. It's ideal for professional-grade presentations, legal documents, flyers, or even arts and crafts where paper quality makes a difference. The packaging also deserves a quick mention. Each ream is tightly sealed to protect against humidity and dust, which preserves the paper's quality until you're ready to use it. And the ream itself is easy to open and store, an underrated convenience when you're stocking a busy office. So, if you're in the market for a legal-size copy paper that offers exceptional print quality, jam-free performance, and an unmistakable professional finish, Hammermill Fore Multipurpose 24 pounds copy paper is a clear winner. It combines performance, sustainability, and reliability into one ream of bright white excellence. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and subscribe to Product Critique for more real-world product insights that help you shop smarter. See you in the next video.